Good afternoon, everyone. This is the last announcement for this class this semester. Everything that you have submitted, including exam number 3 that was due Thursday night, has been graded on Blackboard. As a result, your final score should include the results of your exam number 3, any final late submissions that I graded today. To calculate your final grade, consider the following grading scale based on your final number of points. 900 to 1000 will give you an A. 800 to 899 will give you a B. 700 to 799 will give you a C. 600 to 699 will give you a D. And anything below 599 points is an F. I am scheduled to point these grades by Tuesday morning, May 28th. If you think there's an error in the calculation of your final score, if there are any questions, please contact me as soon as possible at scortez@sdccd.edu, or you can also inbox me on Blackboard. Because these grades need to be submitted by Tuesday morning. Also, there are some of you missing multiple assignments. If you plan to submit them, you need to do it between today and Monday night. Otherwise, your final score will stay as it is now. It's a pleasure having you in class this semester. Wish you the best with all of your future pursuits and hope you have an awesome summer. Congratulations to those of you who are graduating. I wish you lots of success and happiness. Best, Samuel Cortez.